What's going on YouTube? 65 Rider here, coming back to you with another video. Today's video should be a pretty fun one. We're on the MT10. If you guys haven't seen my last video, go check it out because we got an MT10 baby, a 2024 Yamaha MT10. I am trying a new mic setup, especially the fact that I don't have a windshield on this bike or any sort of protection from the wind. So I'm hoping it comes out pretty clear. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, exciting video. It's the official maiden voyage or maiden ride of the MT10 today. Well, the maiden group ride of the MT10. I'm actually riding south to Boca Raton to meet up with Justin on his brand new Ducati Panigale V2, and then me and him are riding together even further south to Oakland Park to hit up Imperial Moto Cafe. We're gonna meet Brian down there on his brand new Ducati Panigale V2 as well. It's a beautiful day. It's like 71 degrees right now. Initially in the morning I thought I was gonna have to wear a hoodie. And it's a beautiful Saturday, man. Let's get it. Actually, while we're stuck at the traffic light, I have something to tell you. It's Thanksgiving weekend, and people are just, I don't know what is going on with them, but people cannot drive this specific weekend of the year. I guess there's like a lot of tourists or people from out of town or something. And I think their absolute goal is to hit you. I think literally that's why they came to Florida. The tourists or the snowbirds, the goal is to be like, okay, biker, yep, I'm gonna hit them. I'm gonna hit them with my car, or I'm gonna cut them off. Dude, this bike is so good leaning over. Especially because of the shorter wheelbase on this. It's so flicky, dude. Also insanely fast, like scary fast. I wonder how this audio actually sounds on the highway right now. I guess only one way to find out, right? Okay, well, that was a new experience for me. No lie, I think this is the fastest I've ever made it from my house to the gas station where me and Justin meet up. It's insane. And I wasn't even speeding that much. I was a little bit. I was going like a little over 90, 95 miles per hour, but it was so smooth, you know what I mean? Like I wasn't like ripping it and going like in between cars and shit. I was just boom, in a straight line, man. And no lie, I made it in like less than 10 minutes. I don't know, I'm gonna see, because I was talking to Ben on the text message. So I'm gonna take a look right now and see. I hit him up, I said I'll hit you up later at 9:02. That was before I got to my exit by like 3 minutes maybe. So yeah, I made it here in like 9 minutes, which is freaking insane. I've never made it here that fast. From my turnpike exit to Justin's turnpike exit. Any cops? I guess I'm splitting lanes. Sorry. Sport bike privilege. And thing is, like, because I'm used to the Harley, both Harleys, the Pan America and the Road Glide, and usually it's like such a rough ride in terms of like when I'm fucking ripping it. And I didn't feel rough at all for me, bro. It just felt like, I don't know how to explain it, like I'm gliding, kind of. Or like floating through the road, if that makes sense at all. Justin just pulled off. There he is. Yeah, what's up, dog? How you doing, my man? Sick, huh? Yeah, go for it. Oh my God, it's so comfortable. Yeah, right? Bro, I was literally just saying in the vlog, I've never made it from my exit to this exit this fast. It was like 9 minutes.
Wow. This is a very comfortable bike.
Yeah. Thanks, dude.
Yeah, you got a good find.
Yeah, yeah, it was a fire, dude.
Cooler's coming on. You were ripping it.
That's crazy, bro. Crazy. I think I need to get gas. Yeah, I'm gonna grab some. Ducati looking good.
Brian was hitting on his weld here.
I know. I zoomed out. I was like, what the was he looking at?
I'm like, bro, it's the logo. I'm like, that's
And it looks fine here.
yeah.
It's just in the picture, it looked bad.
It's
So wait, how'd you hook up this?
the other side. I rigged it for now. Look, zip tie.
Oh my god, with a bunch of. That's hilarious, bro.
It's titanium. It literally weighs like the size of my pinky. This whole thing.
You guys, look at this.
It's
This is too funny.
Yeah.
Little zip ties for the bracket, cause.
Can't be out without riding for a couple days, you know.
Yeah. When's the new bracket coming in?
A couple days. But
Okay.
honestly, it's so light, like it's hot.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
It's like
yeah.
the size of a feather, so you can't even feel it.
That's awesome, dude. All right, let me grab some gas and we can roll.
It doesn't even shake. It's so light.
Really?
Yeah. So.
That's awesome.
I couldn't be without it for like 5 days, bro. I'm like, we gotta rig it, Parker.
Dude, look at this. You see how the tire is like ripping off? What the? Is that normal? I know. Yeah, I was hitting it hard. Oh, that's awesome. Justin liked the bike. His Ducati's sick too. It's a funny story. My GoPro microphone can hear you. Yeah, because it's going to be on the vlog. Alright, so like I was saying, the story is a couple of days ago, Brian and Justin randomly decided to get Ducati V2s. Yeah, they both went to the Ducati dealership, same one I bought my bike from. And Justin just wanted to like look at it and sit on it. And then when they got there, Brian ended up buying one. And then Justin picked up his like 2 days later from, where was it, in Sanford? That's insane. Yeah, you drove like what, 300 miles to pick it up, something like that? It's 200 usually. We're going to Miami, right? Yeah. Look at us, bro. Like, we were on f***ing Harleys last year, and now look at us. We're on like freaking sport bikes, bro. That's insane. I still gotta get used to like the torque, and also like how you have to rev it up super high, not like a Harley. Yeah, this thing is ridiculous, bro. This thing is fucking ridiculous. I need to slow down. This thing is ridiculous. It's the crazy part. And like, it goes to $120, you're still like in third gear. Oh man, it's crazy. It's so crazy.
"12 seconds later."
I feel like cops are definitely cracking down on like speed. I've been seeing a lot of videos on Facebook. Yeah, especially with this like super speeder law or whatever. Yeah, thought this was America, bro. Look at that dog, bro. Yeah, he is. He looks high. Come on, buddy. Of course, the Maryland driver is parked in the middle of the road. love this bike. Alright, you guys, so we're here at Imperial Moto Cafe. It's down in Oakland Park. They have another one down in Miami, and then another one at that really nice mall. What's it called? Aventura. Pretty cool spot. They got some sick bikes inside. I think I featured it on the channel before, but yeah, just showing it to you. Here's the bikes. God damn, that Panigale red is insane. It's like so freaking red, bro. Sheesh.
That's half of my obsession with Ducati is Ferrari red.
Ferrari red, yeah. That's like crazy how you see like new gen, old gen. New gen, old gen. What's up, homie?
What up, dog?
Look at this freaking lineup, bro. How you doing, my man? Is that your boy?
Yeah.
And on a Harley? What's he doing, man? We need to convince him to get a. We need to convince him to get a sport bike. Jeez. Look at this lineup. MT10. Panigale. Oh, I see you're wearing the hoodie today. No, it was too hot for a hoodie. Alright, you guys, we got a bunch of people that just rolled up. We got a couple of Harleys. Street Glide right here. I like the fender, bro. That's
that's the other thing I did.
What's it called? The company?
People call it Nasty Hog.
Nasty Hog.
Nasty
Yeah.
Hog's the company.
Are you gonna get the bags too, or no?
You know what? I'm still waiting. The reason why I didn't do it is because of the speakers.
Ah, yeah.
I already went through this.
That's
I had
true.
the long bags, and then I have to, modify the speakers into this.
So you did it to the standard bags, and now you might have to do it again.
I have to do it again.
Or you
Like,
can you cut them? Maybe cut the bags.
Well, this is already shorty though.
Yeah.
But I did once they make it's a little bit more short.
Yeah, I know it's like
Shorter.
it's the same level as here, right?
Yeah, it's even shorter.
That-
Then I have to go through the speaker shit again.
Yeah. If I was gonna keep my bike, that was gonna be my next upgrade.
thing,
yeah, the whole back. But
No,
whatever.
but my
It
priority
looks really good, bro.
My priority is doing the thrust bar. That's
Yeah.
But the thing is, like, once I do that on this bike, guess what I have to do? The tank too,
Why?
because what I want to do it all at once.
Oh, you want to get the gauge
like the rogue lights,
the relocation for the, gauge,
relocation
right?
for the
yeah.
gauge, yeah.
That's what I had
That's
on
the
my
next
bike.
thing. And yeah, you had it all, bro.
Yeah.
It's like, damn.
I had it. Are you gonna get the triple tree too?
Yeah.
The triple tree, the
Yeah.
gauge,
The
the
gauge.
riser, and the bars.
Yeah. I'm honestly. I mean, but
That's gonna look
that's
good.
probably
bro.
gonna be next year. Yeah.
Yeah. But why don't you start with just the bars and then not change this yet?
Because I know me, bro. I'll get
You like
anxious.
it that way, yeah.
Like,
Okay.
You know what? Because once you're in there, you gotta pay the installer. I'm not gonna do that myself.
Okay.
There's
yeah.
similar things I do.
Yeah, that
like
makes
I did
sense.
the fairing, I did the speakers, but that particular thing, since there's clutch, there's brakes.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Honestly, it's not that bad, bro. It took me 3 days to do it in my garage,
Bro.
but I was able to get it
These
done, bro.
fucking bitches was a nightmare.
Yeah, because of this bend right
I
here.
don't know. Yeah, and then I
Yeah.
had to get an extension here, and I'm like, no, I'm not. Gonna
Well, at
do
least
this shit again.
all your lines are long enough now, so it'll fit.
I
you
have to
know?
put extensions though.
Even with the Thrasher?
Why? Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I had to. I had to put extensions. On this one, I had to put extension on the bottom. This is a.
But I mean, right now it's already extended. I don't think.
Oh
you
no,
need it.
okay.
Yeah,
I see
now
what you're
you'll be
saying.
good.
Yeah,
now
yeah,
you're good.
Right, you're right. I don't know. I might end up.
And
doing
it's
it, but-
it's so easy. You don't even have to mess with any of this. All you have to do is
You're right. Now it's long enough.
yeah.
You're right.
All you have to do is just take the electricals for the throttle and the brake and all this shit.
Exactly. Yeah. That's the
Yeah,
only
yeah,
thing. So I don't know. There's a lot of things that you ended up doing. You know what's funny? When I got the bike, I was like, oh, I love the way it is.
Yeah, I'm not gonna
this
touch
bike.
it.
It also
Yeah,
protects
never,
you or
bro.
rock or something,
I got Brian with the Ducati right
Oh,
here.
we got live vlogging.
Another Ducati, and then the MT. We're gonna go ride, hit the beach, and bring you guys along with me. Let's go. All right, it looks like we're gonna hit up the beach on this beautiful cloudy day. See what's going on down Fort Lauderdale Beach. What a lineup, bro! Sport bikes, Harleys. We're solving real world problems here. We're bringing the sport bike world and the Harley world together. We're like UN, bro. We got the Harleys and we got the sport bikes. We're bringing everybody together, bro. That's what's up. I hate riding without earplugs. I forgot to put them on. We're gonna stop at a gas station here. the weather is just literal perfection right now, bro. I know, it's so good. So much better than when it's super sunny, you know? Like, I'm not even sweating even a little bit right now. Man, the beach looks so freaking good. Although, like, the water is not calm. It's a little crazy. But yeah, the color is insane, though. The water was like this one. I almost killed myself that one time. And yep, I was so dumb. I like jumped in the water. I almost fucking died. Oh, there's a bar here. I think he's gone there. Maybe I've been here before. Any reason you're riding like a psycho, sir? You gotta say it to the camera, not to me.
I'm just getting used to the bike, honestly.
Is that what you're gonna tell the officer? I'm just getting used to my new 140 horsepower bike.
I'm not driving, the bike is.
A few moments later.
All right, you guys. So we got a private dealership here. XR, Lowrider ST, 701, Fat Boy, Dyna, freaking gas, and then this beauty right here.
When the Ducati's in here though, it's like makes the other bikes look better.
I know the Ducati's just like that piece of art, bro.
It really just makes you.
Alright, you guys saw all these bikes. Let me know which one you want me to test ride next. Do a first ride on. Yeah, we got a private dealership
All
here.
his YouTube videos,
Yeah,
he goes for test rides.
Literally, this is where I come to test ride bikes. So y'all let me know.
Ryan's Motorsports.
Yeah, Brian Motorsports.
Oh yeah.
All right, well there you have it, boys. That was a pretty fun ride, to be honest. Got to take out the MT10 on its maiden journey. Got to see Justin's Ducati, Brian's multiple bikes. Met up with some cool new people. Beautiful weather. It was a good day. It was a good ride. Hope you guys enjoyed it. All right, homies. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace. 6-5 out.